How to solve extra spacing problem between words in MS Word. So if you want to solve the extra spacing problem between the words in MS Word, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your MS Word. After opening, now you don't need to select anything. You just need simply go with the upper left, which has that file, and under file you need to go with more, and under more you can go with options. Under options you can go with the advanced section. And here you need to scroll down and you need to find the layout section. So once you find the layout section, under layout here you will have don't expand character spaces on the line that ends with shift plus return. So make sure that it is checked or that it is clicked, and after that you need to go with OK. After that you can select the affected area. After selecting, you can go with the arrow which is right here under the font, and here you need to go with the advanced section. Under advanced you need to select the option of kerning for fonts, and you can select the font, any font that you're comfortable with that you have right here. And after that go with scale. Under scale you can select 90, and after that go with OK, and it might fix your problem. So that's how you can fix your problem, and if you have any questions feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.